from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. We're filming some Quailridges today. I'm down to my next to the last one. This is Sage with tan window and door package. It's sold. It's a 2019 Quailridge, and it's a 39CBDL with the Fireplace feature wall. So let's go on in and check it out because it's got it going on. It's got a house type rear entry door. MSRP is just shy of $60,000. Check this out. How cool is that? You could put a 10-foot flat screen TV up there if you want to, on top of the feature fireplace. And that is cool. Stone, plank wood flooring throughout. Bookshelves. She's beautiful. This didn't last long. Several features common to all the Quailridges. Everything in them stays in them. They all have 20-gallon electric hot water heaters, table and chairs, sleeper sofa for guests that you don't want to make too comfortable. Storage under the chairs. This has a pretty good sized bathroom. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, nice and bright. Shower with the very low step. Trying to show you all the different features we have. It is shower only with the very low step. Window. There's me in the mirror. The medicine cabinet. Lots of storage inside. Drawers. Plank wood linoleum throughout the entire main floor. Carpet in the loft and master bedroom only. Pretty cool. This has the biggest loft in any of the trailers. It's not the tallest, but it's definitely the largest. It's sold, so they've already got some of their stuff in here. You can mount the TV on the foot of the bed. House type rear entry door. The signature Quailridge his and hers wardrobe with 8 drawers and 4 doors. Okay, heading on upstairs. Let's have a look in the loft. Heading upstairs. It's a pretty big loft, as you can see. This loft is so big, we also add an auxiliary air conditioner because if you're sleeping up here, you might need a little extra AC. There's no problem with heat because heat definitely rises. There's also a register at the top of the stairs always in all the lofts, so they have plenty of natural airflow. Okay, so to recap, this is 2019 Quailridge CBDL with the Fireplace feature wall. Let me get the model number. The model number is 39CBDL. Ceiling fan. Great big loft. Oops. That camera loves to flip when I turn it a certain way. Sorry about that. There you have it. That's my last Quailridge for today. Have a great day.